Today we're going to be unboxing my new vlogging stick. I hope I say this name right. Manfrotto is what I picked up. I've seen some other people using these and I got this one. So we're going to unbox it and see what's up with it. And it actually came with a stick to hold a cell phone. So I needed an extra one of these and I thought it was cool that it came with both of those. So I'll show you both of these. I actually have this and use it already, and this is brand new. So let's see what's in this package. Just some cardboard. Really all you care about. This is what comes in the package. It expands out and goes in. Little button right here will allow this to pivot. So you can push the button in and move that. And then it locks in place whenever you let it out. So all you do is push that and then you can pivot this to wherever you want it. You can pivot it to the side. This is the Manfrotto. Let's put the camera on it. So we can put, this is just my basic camera. Now I have my camera on here. I can set it up to record. So if I want to set up the camera and adjust it, I can adjust it like that and leave it to the side if I'm vlogging like to the side. All I'm doing is pushing that button in the back. That's pretty cool. The other thing that came in the package is this cell phone holder. And I actually love this thing because it's just easy to put your cell phone on. But let me show you what I'm actually recording on right now with my cell phone. So this is what holds my cell phone. And what it does is it'll pivot with your phone in it. And then you can open it up. Do you see that? You can open it and it expands, or you can close it. And then the same thing back here is you can turn this knob and it allows this to be loose. But like say you wanted to turn it, you can turn it and tighten it like this. The other cool thing about this is it has this screw on, so you could actually screw it on here with your phone on it. So all I do is just screw it on like this. So that's all it is a little cell phone stick. And then you can also just put your phone on here if you just wanted to screw this part onto something. So there's different ways that you can do it, but like say your phone's straight up and down, you can turn it this way or this way. So let me put a phone on it. So I know my phone's not gonna fit, so I just expand it and then I'll just put my phone in here and hold it like this and just clamp it down. So that's all you do. And then you can have your phone up like that or like that. And then when you wanna tighten it, you tighten it from the back. And the same thing with the camera is you can turn this to the side, or you can turn it to the side like that. The other thing is to actually put it down. You can put it on the desk like this, or you can hold it and walk around recording with your phone. That's why I wanted this little stick, so that I could walk around and record with it, either with this or with the camera on it. I don't know, I'm excited to start vlogging with it. If you want to check this out and some more cool equipment, check out the description below this video. This is my Manfrotto vlogging stick and cell phone accessory. This all came together. It was under 30 bucks. So far, I'm excited about this because I went from this thing that expands out, which it's not bad, it's just it doesn't do what I need it to do, to this. So this is what I'm upgrading from these two. So you can pick up this in the description below. There's a link to this on Amazon. Check it out, pick out what color you want. Mine's black. They have some other colors on there that you can choose. And you can also get it without the cell phone holders. I'm Brandi of blogginbrandi.com. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. If so, hit that thumbs up and let me know. Or if you have this, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.